All right, let's look at question 3. The directions tell us to solve. Use words, numbers, or pictures to explain how your answers to parts A and B are related. So this is part A. We just have to multiply here, 25 times 30, so you're placing the answer in this blank. And then in B, we see 2 and 5/10 times 30. And you'll notice that there's two places here. This part over here is actually where you are going to put the answer to 2.5 times 30. This section here is actually asking you to rename the problem. You see we've still got the times 30, just like we had over here times 30. But they want us to rename this. Instead of saying 2.5, they're going to say how many tenths is it? So a lot of people actually had a great explanation, but missed that the answer, the product, is going here. Product. It's hard to write fast with the marker on here. So product is going in this blank, and then this is a renaming part. Okay, so let's look over here at the same kind of problem. They're saying if 98 times 768 equals 75,264, then 98 times 7.68 equals. Now, what we can see here is we can see that we've got 98 and 98, and then we've got a 700, 6 tens, 8 ones, 7 ones, 6 tenths, 8 hundredths. We've got the same digits. So we know right away that our answer is going to have the same digits, 7, 5, 2, 6, 4. Okay, because multiplying an 8 times those digits, multiplying a 90 times those digits is going to yield me the same thing. The only difference is that here I was dealing with 768 ones, and here I'm dealing with 7 and 68 hundredths. So if I'm making copies of hundredths, I'm going to have hundredths in my answer. So all I need to do is place that decimal point. My explanation for this might read something like, the digits are the same in both answers, but making copies of hundredths will cause my answer to have hundredths. Okay, so that's how I was able to put that decimal point right here. Good luck on answering your test question.